Hi, it's Laura with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect spring summer cardigan, then look no more. Let me show you this beautiful cardigan that I just got. I love how it drapes really long in the front. I'm gonna say about mid-thigh. It covers you great in the back. It's just a perfect addition to just a casual day, or you could also dress it up if you wanted to. Now, I like the lightweightness of the cardigan. I live in Texas, so I don't need a lot of layers, but when I go into the office, I typically do get a little chilly, so I like to take my little cardigan, and I had been looking for the perfect one that wasn't too heavy, and I love the fact that it's very easy to care for. I literally have laundered this twice and maybe just a light iron in the front and I'm good to go. So I love the fact that it is super easy to care for. I bet it would also travel really well, and just the fact that it's so lightweight. If you're gonna go to an area that's not too cold, it would be a perfect addition for you too. And that is my point of view.